Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2016 Forest River Wildwood 26RL. Kind of walk you through some of the features that really set it apart, that really make it stand out. Relatively inexpensive and actually a really great floor plan for this length. You get a lot of versatility inside. On the outside, you also have electric stabilizer jacks, so really easy push button up and down makes and so it'll save your arm quite a bit of cranking on it as well. Your pass through really wide door can slot a lot of like outdoor chairs in there. The wideness really helps out quite a bit. Big awning on it, double axle, big awning, make use of the outdoor space really well with the indoor space. And the indoor space is really where this one shines. So let's head inside. If you notice right away, really bright, enormous windows. So when you back up, you take your time to get somewhere. You actually have a lot of lounging area, a lot of bright light, as you can actually see where you got to really easily. Two recliners off the rear. You have a jackknifing sofa here that can turn into another sleeper if you want. It makes it really easy. It makes the space really versatile. A nice peninsula for your kitchen countertop and your double basin sink here. And this insert here really makes it so you can use quite a bit more space than just what's sitting to the side here. But with that depth, you do have enough space there to leave things out of the way. Coffee maker, Instapot, blenders and everything. Make sure you can actually make use of all this space, and a ton of storage here too. So under the sink has a bunch of storage as well as all your drawers here, which really make and even the dividers are already built in, which really make this kind of really useful. Your up top microwave, your hood, your nice flip top here, your flush mount for your stove, which makes it so that you can just fold it away and acts as your own backsplash. A nice backsplash on the side, so you don't actually get any kind of spatter on anything as well. Booth, dinette, and your slide out, really big slide out, and like I said, there's a ton of windows in here, so it really stays really bright. And across from that, you have enormously deep pantry space up top as well as below here as well. And this space all heads into your pass-through bathroom. A nice solid surface enclosure for your shower. A true vanity here as well. A lot of great space up there to store whatever you need at hand. Space below. Plus, that's not everything. All your storage there too. You still actually have a ton of linen space, kind of like bathroom storage space right next to that as well. And the toilet isn't kind of in sharing the same space as it is cooperating with the shower, so you're not stepping on each other's toes. And it's a pass-through bathroom here too. It brings you into the master bedroom. You have your queen size bed. You have hanging storage on either side, plus storage beneath the bed as well as your second exit or entrance there. So if you want to come and go at night without kind of disturbing who's in front, or this really helps out for when you're packing is for storage, so that you can actually come in here and use the bathroom. If you're driving down the road, you just need to hit the restroom. If you have any questions about this rig or any other rig on lot here in Junction City, stop on by and say hello or give me a call, 773-655-7190. My name is Jake.